Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mastering Trades. So today I thought I'll discuss about a platform Strakes that is an algo trading platform. So I won't be discussing very much detail, but I'll like to give you a brief introduction and how what all facilities are available in this platform. So in order to sign up into Strake, you should have a Sarod account, and Strake is not a free platform. You need to pay it, but yes, you'll get some days of free trial. After that, you can upgrade if you want to try in this platform. Yeah. So this is the dashboard page. Once you log in, this will you end up with this page. So here you can see there are so many inbuilt features that Strix is providing. So currently the version of Strix is 3.0. So if you see here, you will get a lot of things you can discover here. They will give like so much of like inbuilt strategies. You can just try for trend following strategies, mean revision. They give like lots of examples also. So if you just scroll down, you can see you can add your own script. So like when we see here itself, you'll get an idea that your particular stock is bearish or bullish. You'll get the support and resistance. All these technical details you'll get it from here. If you click on support and resistance, also you'll get the support and resistance of each script. You can add like as much of scripts you here. Okay, so I'm not going to explain in detail. I like to show you, the features available in Strake. So if you go to your price action, there is one strategy available called pivot point sell strategy. So I'll just click on view backtest. So we'll see what they have written. So this strategy is basically it's a sell. It's a pivot point sell strategy. So normally it will, when our condition gets met, it goes for a short, and we will have our risk and risk reward ratio defined. If you click on edit, you can if you click on edit parameters, you can see on if a particular condition is met, we are shorting 100 quantities, our stop loss is 1%, and yeah, we are taking a 2% of profit. And the candle we are using is the candlestick pattern, and the time frame is 5 minutes. And this many of stocks we have added to the baskets. We can add more stocks also here. Okay, so this has run for a period between 22 March 2020 to 19 June 2020. So you can see this many times this particular condition has met for these stocks which we have selected. You see here like this many stocks has met as executed like this much of times, and you see the profit here. For example, we'll just take Lupin as an example. You see this particular strategy has met 17 times. If you see signals here, right? So 17 times this particular thing has met, and out of it 12 wins we got and 5 losses. Still we got a profit of 9,973. You can expand it and see like how the thing has done. If you just click on this transaction details, you see on what particular day that this particular condition has met, and on what particular price we have entered into that thing a trade. You see sell, buy, and all the profit and loss statement here with whatever risk reward ratio. So for here we have given 1:2 percentage ratio. So based on that we are getting profit of 9,000. How much is that? 9,973. And there's also an option to calculate our profit without brokerage. So if you just click on this thing, you'll get your profit without brokerage. That is 928. So similarly for other stocks also we have calculated here, and there is also an option to create your own strategies, and you can backtest it. So you can see here there is an option called deploy. So if you're okay with the start, if you're creating your own strategy, and if you're okay, if you want to try in the in the market, you can either do a paper trading, or you can either put the strategy into live. So if you click on here deploy all, you will get an option to paper trade. So still you're not sure, okay, whether you want to do with the real, you can go for a paper trade. So the thing is that the whatever strategy you have created, it will work, but you won't lose any money. It's just like a backtest. So and if you're okay with the backtest result, you can go with the live. So this is one of the best feature I found in Strakes. where you can use the existing strategies, or you can create your own strategies. Like all the indicators, everything is, if you see here, like you will get moving average, you will get gap, get pivot, every indicators are available here. So whatever strategy you want to create you can create it very easily. And the other section is scanners. Just like strategies, you can create your own scanners, as well as you can have the inbuilt scanners. So I'll just go to the discover section in scanners. So here there are like so many scanners already available. You will get bullish candles, bearish scanners. You have intraday bullish. You have range breakout. So if you just click on here, you'll get like NR7, NR4 day, 52 weeks low breakout. So there are so many inbuilt scanners available where you can reuse it and see top gainers, top losers. So much of things are there. And if you want to create your own strategy, for example, if you want to get into, if you want a scanner to alert you, like when a particular pivot point, like for example, a stock has crossed a particular resistance. So that way also you can create your own scanners here. Here you can you create your own scanners, and you can if you're okay with the scanners, you can get, like put into live condition. So I always create like over 1 to 3 scanners a day, and I'll just run it for every like 5 or 3 minutes. So today I think my scanner is already crossed my limit. Yeah, so normally you'll get a 200 back test, and you can do a 25 deploys. For example, if you're okay with this particular strategy, you can deploy in live. And scanners you'll get 100. So my thing all I think already got finished by 12 o'clock. Now it is almost like 1:55. If I run like some 3 4 scanners parallelly, like every 3 minutes, my scanner will get finished. So if you want to see, like the scanners results, there is a notification tab here. So you just need to go, you need to click on scanners. You need to click on scanners here, so you'll get all the history. So if you click here, you just need to, so I run 3 scanners today. One is close above R1 resistance, one is close below pivot point, one is close below pivot. So I'll just explain how to create a scanner in the next video. So if you click on view history, you can see like this many times my scanner has given me alert when a particular stock has closed below my pivot. So here, this is my scanner. So this many times. So if you just click on somewhere like around 11:3 a.m., you can see like Racing, Kotak Bank, ONGC has met my condition what I have written for scanner. So this is one of the very good things. So if you go to the plans available in Strakes, you see pricing. So you'll get I think 7 days free trial from this Strakes. If you want to upgrade your thing, you can either go with the basic plan or premium plan or ultimate. And what I am currently sign up for is this plan, basic plan. That is like 500 rupees per month, 1 month. If you want to go for 6 months, you only need to pay 400 rupees. If you want to opt for 12 months, you only need to pay like 350 per month for 12 months. So that would be like 350 into 12. So yeah, with this basic plans, I'll get like 200 back tests, 25 deploys, and 100 scans. That is like kind of okay for me. Like I think if you're very serious into trading, I think you should try Strakes or any other kind of this kind of platforms where normally you want to look into like 10 to 20 stocks, and that is very impossible to look like each stocks. So if you get an alert, then that will be like very useful for your trading. Yeah. So I'll just explain you how to create a scanner and how to get notified and everything in the next video. Thank you so much.